Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. So, Assalamu alaikum. This is Misbah Sajida, and I welcome you all to my channel, Talim for Everyone. So, I am here again with another most important and informative topic uh, from the series. Now, let's proceed. So, in this video, we're going to cover perimeter and area of rhombus that I have extracted from section 12.3 New Syllabus Mathematics Book 1, 8th edition. So why I have directly picked this topic, because perimeter and area of parallelogram and trapezium, from that section I have already covered video for area and perimeter of parallelogram and trapezium already available on my channel. That basically I have created, I think, 4 years back, named as exercise 13b, book 1, exercise 13b, part 1 and part 2. So if you are uh, willing to watch or willing to learn something about area and perimeter of parallelogram and trapezium, so I will attach their link as well. Okay, so now let's proceed about area and perimeter of rhombus. Right, now let's proceed. So, what is area and perimeter? It is quite now easy to understand what is area and perimeter, because we are discussing the same thing. We were discussing the same thing in previous video as well. And now let's proceed. What is area? Area is basically the measurement of a space inside a shape using square units. Means a space occupied by any object is called as area. What is area? What is perimeter? Perimeter is basically the measurement around the outside of a shape, means sum of all the boundary. So it is basically perimeter. Okay, so this is all about perimeter and area. Now we have to see that how can we calculate area of a rhombus. Okay, there are basically three cases. I am going to discuss only two. Whenever you are given with only two diagonals, if sides are not given in a rhombus, if just diagonals are given, so you can also find its area. How? Area is equal to half of A and B. A is one diagonal and B is another diagonal. So just multiply them and divide it by 2. So it is area of a rhombus whenever lengths of diagonals are given, right? And what happen if height and side is given? So just multiply them, because in rhombus we know that all sides are equal to each other. So what happen if any of the side and height is given? So just multiply them, you will get area. Area of a rhombus when height and side are given, so it is just similar to area of a parallelogram, because uh, for finding area of a parallelogram, we just multiply height and one of the side. So in the same manner, if you are given with height and one of the side of a rhombus, so just multiply them. But another case is that if you are given with just diagonals, so just multiply them and divide it by 2. Right? So now let's proceed. Now, okay, exercise 12B, and it is question number 2. And the question says that the figure is a rhombus WXYZ, WXYZ, of a length 5.6 centimeter. Means one side is given, that is WZ, that is 5.6 centimeter. Means that this is a rhombus, and in rhombus we know that all sides are equal to each other. So we can do one thing. This, if this is 5.6, so this is also 5.6 centimeter. If this is 5.6, so this is also 5.6 centimeter. If TU is equal to 5 centimeter, what is basically TU? TU basically is a line. Okay, this is a segment, line segment TU, that is perpendicular to WX. So it is perpendicular to WX, means it is making an angle of 90 degrees. So that is why we can say that this is the height of the rhombus. Okay, and we know that rhombus has four equal sides. So this is 5.6, 5.6, 5.6, 5.6. And furthermore, TU, that is basically height, and height is of 5 centimeter. In first part, we have to find parameter, right? Now, wait a moment. In first part, we have to find perimeter, and perimeter is just add them all or just multiply 5.6 by 4. It's totally up to you. So I will suggest you to multiply 4 by 5.6 centimeter. So 5 6 are 24. Sorry, 4 6 are 24. My mistake. 24, 4 5 are 20, 21, 22. And there is only one digit after decimal point. Just place that is decimal over here. And it is equal to 22.4 centimeter. So perimeter is equal to 22.4 centimeter. Now let's proceed. Sorry. Let's proceed its second part, area. Okay. And area is, we are given with height, multiply by any of the side, just right side. Height is 5 centimeter, multiply by side is 5.6 centimeter. So 5 6 are 30, 3 carry, 5 5 are 25, 26, 27, 28. And we have decimal after one digit. So one digit, 28.0 centimeter square. So properly you can write like area is equal to 28 centimeter square. So area is nothing but 28 centimeter square. So now let's proceed further. Here it is question number 5. Now let's read out its statement. The figure shows a rhombus ABCD, ABCD, ABCD. Okay, where AE is 6.4 centimeter. What is AE? AE basically height, because it is the perpendicular bisector of BD and making an angle of 90 degree on the line BD. So that is why we can say that AE is a height, and height is equal to 6.4 centimeter. If the area of the rhombus is 44.8, if area of the rhombus is 44.8, find the parameter of the rhombus. We have to find parameter of the rhombus. So we know that in rhombus, all of the sides are equal to each other. So we can take any of the sides. Let's suppose I'm going to take this. Okay, BD. So area is equal to height multiplied by side. Height is 6.4 centimeter. Area is 44.8 centimeter square, and multiply by S side. So S is equal to 44.8 centimeter square divided by 6.4 centimeter. Centimeter square cancel out. Now, if you see one thing, we have one digit after decimal point in both numerator and denominator. Just simply cancel out decimal and S is equal to 448 divided by 64. Now let's start simplification. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 8 1s are 8, 8 7s are 56, right? So S is equal to 7 and this is left with centimeter. So 7 centimeter. So as this is a rhombus, so all sides would be equal to 7 centimeter. 7 into, sorry, 7, 7, 7, and then it is also 7, right? Now next, we have to find basically parameter. So parameter of a rhombus is sum of all the sides. So, or as this is a rhombus, so just multiply 7 by 4. So parameter is equal to nothing. Parameter is equal to 7 centimeter multiplied by 4 and 7 fours are 28 centimeter. So parameter is Perimeter is 28 centimeter. Yes. So each side of the rhombus is 7 centimeter. And find the parameter. So a rhombus has 4 equal sides. The parameter is equal to nothing but 4 into 7, that is 28 centimeter. So I hope so it's clear to everybody. So stay tuned for some more informative and interesting videos. Okay, so see you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you.